Is he... Rob, take your food?
Take it from there all the way over there.
Are you gonna be nice?
Striking a pose of pure defiance, this pup is currently on a hunger strike until he receives a formal, written apology for that service.
Paying attention. Did you put that ball there? Now they put 2 balls on his face.
Maya. Maya.
Feeling better? You're feeling a little better from your surgery? Oh, poor baby. I'm so glad you're feeling better. You want to eat something? You can eat whatever you want today.
Right there, you're I just asked you. Are you feeling? Hey. Hey. Are you feeling? Are you feeling? Let me finish. Are you feeling?
Redecorating the house one bite at a time, this pup is clearly very proud of his new open concept chair design.
Co ty tu masz? Zostaw to. Zostaw to. Puść to. Puść to. Puść. Puść. Puść to. Już. Puść to. Puść to. Dziękuję.
Claiming ownership with a single, unblinking lick, this dog has officially marked his human as his favorite personal salt lick.
I haven't seen you all day. I haven't seen you all day. Come here. I haven't seen you all day.
Discovering that the giant blue bathtub has no walls, this pup is currently processing the shock of his very first salty splashdown.
Mal für die Emma. Würfeln? Ja.
Show me your sweater. Show me your sweater. Show me. Yeah. Show it. Oh. Oh. The poses. Oh. Okay. 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 You're right.
Police took the suspect into custody. Sources say he never actually got into the cockpit, but did attack flight attendants and...
Proving that a broken leg won't stop the grind, this lab is still clocking in for his shift as the head of backyard landscaping.
is ready for the winter.
Sorry, Auntie put it on wrong. Come here, Mana. Auntie put it on wrong. Come here. Sorry. Come here. Auntie put it on wrong. Come here. Come here.
Closing in on the prize with professional focus, this pup is about to pull off the ultimate cold weather heist.
Come in here. No, I said you can't.
Joey, dá aqui meu tênis. Dá aqui. Dá aqui. Mais. Vou te pegar. É. Dá meu tênis.
Basking in the rays and receiving room service, this lucky pup has officially reached the peak of the good life.
Order up for number 17 for Rocky Lee Special Edition. Here you go.
Hi, little chicken. Hello, little pinata. Are you all tucked in bed? How you get under there? Oh my goodness.
Facing the ultimate test of patience, this hungry mob is currently conducting a high-pressure audit of the nightly dinner preparations.
Dlaczego musisz spać w kuchni, rybko? Już prawie jesteś w kuchni.
Diving deep into the plush abyss, this pup won't stop until he recovers the specific squeaky toy that's currently lost in the cushions.
Yeah. ओए आजा अबे यार पत्थर पगलू लो आजा
What the hell?
Stop saying that.
What the hell? What the hell? What the hell?
Stop.
What the hell? What the hell?
Everyone, thank you for joining us for this whirlwind tour of dogs who clearly graduated from the school of overreacting. Whether they are battling backyard hoses or hugging stolen teddy bears like their lives depend on it, these pups prove that life is never boring when you have a four-legged drama queen in the house. Remember to keep your beach balls high and your donuts guarded. Catch you in the next one for more hilarious pet highlights.